In this video, we'll talk about successful people who meditate. Many successful people are crediting meditation as part of their regime to grow values, character, and improve their overall health. For them, it becomes a winning lifestyle that provides the tools for a higher quality of life. Padmasree Warrior, CTO of Cisco Systems. Warrior meditates regularly. She has stated that meditation helps her manage her large corporation and considers it a reboot for your brain and soul. Rupert Murdoch, chairman of News Corp. Murdoch has admitted that he is new to meditation but has expressed an interest in discovering its possibilities. Tony Schwartz, CEO of the Energy Project. Schwartz is a longtime meditator. He credits successfully dealing with migraine headaches to meditation. He always believes it has improved his on-the-job performance. Energy requires refueling intermittently. Bill Ford, executive chairman, Ford Motor Company. Ford has stated he uses meditation to develop greater compassion. Oprah Winfrey, CEO, Harpo Productions Incorporated. Oprah practices meditation twice daily for 20 minutes. She also has encouraged meditation among her employees. States Oprah, "I walked away feeling fuller than when I'd come in, full of hope, a sense of contentment, and deep joy." Knowing for sure that even in the daily craziness that bombards us from every direction, there is still the consistency of stillness. Only from that space can you create your best work and your best life. Larry Brilliant, CEO, Skoll Global Threats Fund. Brilliant learned to meditate in the Himalayas and emphasizes its ability to calm the mind. Ray Dalio, founder of Bridgewater Associates, USA. Dalio has stated that meditation has given me centeredness and creativity. It's also given me peace and health. Russell Simmons, founder of GlobalGrind.com. Simmons has been a longtime proponent of meditation. Quote, "You don't have to believe in meditation for it to work. You just have to take the time to do it. The old truth is still true today. God helps those who help themselves. My advice? Meditate." Robert Stiller, CEO, Green Mountain Coffee Roasters, Inc. Stiller has a meditation room in his office and is a dedicated practitioner. Quote, "Meditation helps develop your abilities to focus better and to accomplish your tasks." Arianna Huffington, editor-in-chief, Huffington Post Media Group. Huffington practices meditation in the morning. Her company offers weekly meditation classes for its employees. Quote, "Stress reduction and mindfulness don't just make us happier and healthier. They're a proven competition advantage for any business that wants one." Mindful meditation is being seen by more and more people as a crucial tool to enhance performance and create a more fulfilling life.